I am really excited to be sharing the family room tour. So it's been months and months of projects and I'm finally done, and I thought I'd bring you on a tour. So right here is the first wall you walk into, or you see when you walk into the family room. Here is the couch, and I made most everything in here. So this is just an unfinished frame that I added chicken wire and chippy paint to. This is canvas with Cricut words, or cut out. Before bed, I like to do a little knitting and crocheting, and I crocheted this blanket. And this is the behind the couch table. There's a video on how I made that. Just our sectional. Added a couple of plants. I do have to wait for them to get a lot bigger, but I guess that probably didn't work too well for you. But sorry about the lighting. That is an ivy plant that I found in the yard and said, no, I'm going to bring you inside. And I made that macrame planter hanger thing. There we go, the lighting is much better. There we go. The wall hanging mirrors. We made this out of just old wood we had from my old garden beds that I just redid, and then some family photos. The magnolia wreath, which is just greenery that I put into a circle so it looks like a wreath. And here is the last wall. It's a garbage and recycle cabinet that I made. Some candles. I love candles. And I love hydrangeas too. So I made the wall hanging, the scroll, and the gather sign. I did not make the clock. And then here's our coffee table. I did get this rug to go over our flooring. So I love plants, and I love these custom candle holders that I got on Amazon. Some more hydrangeas. I love them so much. So that is the end of the family room tour. Thank you so much for watching.